Hi everyone, my name is Sandeep Patel and today we are going to discuss about the Medra mobile applications. First of all, you know that what is the Medra? Medra is a medical dictionary for regulatory activities. Uh, the main purpose of Medra uh, to gather all the information including the disease, sign and symptoms, diagnosis, as well as the history of the patient, family, social and history of the patient, uh, indication, cause of death, and the lab investigations. That's it. They include this. So I think if I can made a application of a Medra, what changes should I make? So basically, the Medra is working in a PV database in a Argus system. So basically, first of all, you need to make mobile applications where this mobile application is working as a filter. So first of all, I gather all the information, all the source of documents, or all the this is information from the various sources, gather it. Then how it's work? It's work by the input, process and output. Input is all the information gathered from the data. Process, that where we work, and the input is our technical terms. Sorry, output. That's so where we in case 85,000 of diseases are there, where we divide them by applying filters, just like a sign, symptoms, diagnosis, disease. These are the our filters. So we apply these filters. Which kind of disease are there? Which kinds of disease are there? We apply. We divide this in a particular format, and then subdivided them, and then give them a coding by their disease. So uh, in finally we get a 15 system organ class and a small group of the all the disease. uh, as well as we also use the hierarchy. Hierarchy is best way to represent all the disease by the systematic way. So take an example of a Flipkart. Flipkart is working where we search only for shoes. They shows us a shoes of variety of shoes. Where you choose the options sport shoes. They only show the sport shoes for women and men. Then you select the men, and then you get the sport shoes where you choose the different types of colors. If you want to white color of shoes, then you select the white color of shoes. That range of that, the particular types of the filters are there. As we like that, we apply the filters here and get a perfect disease. So that's it. That's a simple funda where we use the filters and get the disease information with along with the code. Obviously, if we make any application, it's launched in a different languages. So our application is launches with 21 different languages. Other most of the countries casually use the English, so that's why we need to uh, launch this application in some of their languages. uh, so that's a language funda. As well as we use the hierarchy just by the Flipkart system, where we use the system organ class. it is a large large disease of class, but in a one way. So otherwise high level group terms, uh, low level high level term, preferred term, and group term. Just a taken up examples. Headache. Headache is a concern with many other diseases. If you're feeling dizzy, you have a headache. If you have fever, if you have a headache, you have a something like that. Any disease is connected with the headache. So headache, it's given a headache is something like that, a particular number, but how many it's associated with the uh, disease. So there is a paper term. Paper term working to the constrict some amount of disease, and then low level term, then group term, and then system organ class. So that's the way METRA is working, and it's all the diseases are coded by the medically, and then we get a desirable information. We put up the uh, coding or a disease name. We get the all information about the disease. We get the hierarchy, causes, sign and symptoms, all the information about the disease. So that's it. That's a METRA, and our application is work like that. That's it. Thank you.